So hello everyone, my name is Tejas and welcome back to my channel Self Study with Tejas. And if you are passionate about mathematics and aiming to excel in the IMO exam, then you are in the right place. So today we are going to learn IMO chapter 12 ratio and proportion. So let's start. So everyday mathematics question number 16. The ratio of the volume of water in bottle P to the volume of water in bottle Q is 3:4. Rajiv drank 40 ml of the water in bottle P and then the ratio becomes 13:20. How much water was there in bottle P at first? Which means first the ratio was 3x is to 4x and then Rajiv drank 40 ml of water from it, which means 3x minus 40 by 4x, and now the ratio becomes 13:20. So now it will be 20 in bracket 3x minus 40 bracket close is equal to 13 into 4x. So now we will solve this. So here 20 into 3 will be 60x minus this 40 into 20 will be 800 is equal to 13 into 4 52x. So now we will bring the variables near and constant far. So 60x, and here it was positive, so it will come here and become negative, which means 60x minus 52x is equal to 800, which means 8x is equal to 800, which means x is equal to 100. So how much water was there in bottle P at first? So it was 3:4, which means 100 into 3, which will be 300 ml. So the correct answer here will be option number C. 17th question. If the cost of a candy is 50 paise and the cost of an ice cream is 20 rupees, then the ratio of the cost of a candy to the cost of an ice cream is dash. So the cost of candy is 50 paise and the cost of ice cream is 20 rupees, which will be 2000 paise. So now we will cut this 0, and we know that 5 4 is 20 and here is one extra 0, which means it will be 40. So which means the ratio will be 1:40. So correct answer here will be option number B. Now 18th question. A pole is cut into two pieces in the ratio of 8:9. If the total length is 1615 meter, then find the length of the smaller part. So first we will add 8 plus 9. So 8 plus 8 is 16. So this will be 17. And now we have to divide 1615 by 17. So 1615 divided by 17. So now we will do it with 8. So 17 into 8 is 136, but 17 into 9 is 153. So we will try to do it with 9. So minus and 153. So we will get here 8 and now 5, which means 85, and 17 5 is 85. So which means now we have to calculate the length of the smaller part, which is 8. So now we have to multiply 95 by 8. So 95 multiplied by 8. So 5 8 is 40, and now 8 9 is 72. 72 plus 4 will be 76, which means 760 meter. So correct answer here will be option number C. Now 19th question. In a cricket coaching camp, 1200 children are trained, out of which 900 are selected for various matches. Ratio of non-selected children to the total number of children is dash. So the non-selected children will be 300 and total children are 1200, which means 300 is to 1200. And if we cut 2 zeros from both of it, we know that 3 4 is 12, which means the ratio will be 1:4. So correct answer here will be option number C. Now 20th question. In a quiz program, the ratio of correct answers to the incorrect answers is 5:2. If a student gives 16 incorrect answers, then the number of correct answers given is dash. So the incorrect answers are 16 and the ratio is 5:2. So if we divide 16 by 2, we will get 8. And now we have to find the correct answers. So we can simply multiply 5 by 8, which will give us 40. So our correct answer here will be option number B. So 21st question, the price of a table and a chair are in the ratio of 7:5. If a table costs rupees 480 more than the chair, then the price of the chair is dash. So table is equal to 7x and here the chair is equal to 5x. Next, they have said that the table costs 480 more than the chair, which means 7x is equal to 480 plus 5x. So now we always brings the variable close and constants far. So here this is in positive, it will go here and become negative. So 7x minus 5x is equal to 480. So 7x minus 5x will be 2x is equal to 480, which means x is equal to 240. And now they have asked the price of the chair. So we have to now simply multiply 240 into 5. So here 240 into 5. So 5 0 ja 0, 5 4 ja 20, 5 2 ja 10, 10 plus 2 12, which means 1200 rupees. So our correct answer here will be option number C. Now 22nd question, a bag contains 1 rupee, 50 paise and 25 paise coins in the ratio of 5:6:8. If the total number of amount is rupees 420, then find the total number of coins. So first we will convert 1 rupee into paise, which will be 100 paise, and now we will start to solve the question. So here 22nd 100 is to 50 is to 25, and now they are in the ratio of 5:6:8. 5:6:8. So now first we will multiply them. So 5 into first we have to write here x also. So 100 into 5 will be 500x is to now 5 6 is 30, which means this will be 300x, and now 25 8 ja, which is 200x. So now we will add them. So 500 plus 300 plus 200, which will be 1000x, and now the total amount here is 420 rupees, and 420 rupees means 42,000 paise. So 1000x is equal to 42,000 paise. So now we will cut these 3 zeros from here, which means 1x is equal to 42. And now we have to find out total number of coins. So first we have to find out 5x is equal to 42 into 5. So here 42 into 5. So first 5 2 ja will be 10 0, and here 1 5 4 ja 20 plus 1 21. So 210. Now 6s is equal to 42 into 6, and now 6 2 ja will be 12, 6 4 ja 24 plus 1 25, and now we have to find 8x, which is equal to 42 into 8. So 8 2 ja will be 16, and here 1 4 8 ja will be 32 plus 1 33, which means 336, and now we have to add them. So 6 plus 2 will be 8, 5 plus 3 8 plus 1 9, now 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 3 7, which means 798. So our correct option here will be option number A. Now 23rd question, the weights of 3 iron rods are in the ratio of 3:7:10. The weight of the heaviest one is 2 kg 650 gram. Find the total weight of the 3 iron rods. So the heaviest one is 2650 grams, and now we have to find the value of x. So we know that 10x is equal to 2650 gram, which they have given only. So which means 1x will be 265 gram. So now we have to multiply it with 3 and 7 to find the total weight. So 265 multiplied by 3. So 5 3 ja will be 15, 6 3 ja will be 18 plus 1 19, 3 2 ja 6 plus 1 7, which means 795 gram. And now the second one, so 265 multiplied by 7. So 5 7 ja will be 35, 6 7 ja will be 42, 42 plus 3 will be 45, 7 2 ja 14, 14 plus 4 will be 18, which means 1855 gram. And now we have to add them. So first 2650 plus 1855 plus 795. So 5 plus 5 will be 10, 5 plus 5 10, 11, 11 plus 9 will be 22, and here 0, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 6 7, 10 plus 6 will be 16, and 16 plus 6 22, and here 23. Now 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5, which means 5.3 kg. So correct answer here will be option number B. 24th question, cost of 4 dozen bananas is rupees 60. The number of bananas purchased for rupees 22.50 will be dash. So 4 dozen bananas are for rupees 60, and 4 dozen, so 1 dozen means 12 bananas, and there are 4, which means 12 4 ja 48 bananas is equal to rupees 60. So now we have to find what is the price of one banana. So it will be 60 divided by 48. So 12 5 ja 60, 12 4 ja 48, which means the cost of one banana is 5 by 4. And now we have to find how much bananas can be purchased from rupees 22.50. So it will be 22.50 multiplied by 4 by 5. So now 5 1 ja 5, and 22.50 it will be 4.50, and now we have to multiply it with 4. So 4.5 plus into 4, so 4 5 ja will be 20. Now 4 4 ja will be 16 plus 2 18, which means 18 bananas can be purchased from 22.50. So the correct answer here will be option number B. Now 25th question, a profit of rupees 3000 is shared among X, Y and Z in the ratio of 2:3:1. How much more money does Y get than X? So we can solve this question very easily, because we know that 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, and if we divide 6 by 3000 it will give us 500. And now we have to find only X and Y. So X will get 2, so 500 into 2 will be 1000, and 500 into 3 will be 1500. So Y is getting 500 more than X. So correct answer here will be option number C. So achiever section, question number 26. Divide rupees 3010 among A, B, C respectively in such a way that A gets double of what B gets and B gets double of what C gets. So now option number A, here it is 430 and its double will be 860, and the double of 860 will be 1720. But in option B, C and D we can see that 450 double will be 900, and here it is written 920. So this one is incorrect. And now here also the double of 495 is not 825. So this is also incorrect. And now here first they have written 810 and after that 400, which will be also incorrect. So our correct answer here will be option number A. Now 27th question. A sum of rupees 3690 is divided among P, Q and R such that P share is Q share is equal to Q share is to R share is equal to R share is S share is equal to 4 by 5. Then Q share is, so first of all we will write P by Q is equal to 4 by 5 and Q by R is equal to also 4 by 5. So we can see that here the value of q is 5 and here the value of q is 4. So now first we will do multiply it with 4. So 4 4 is 16 by 20, and now here we will do that same with 5. So this will be 20 by 25, and now the next one is R share by S share. So here R by S is equal to also 4 by 5. So here the value of R is 25, but here it is 4. So we will multiply it by 25 by 4, and if we are doing here on above side, we will also do it on below side too. So this 4 and 4 will be cancelled, which means the value of R will be 25. So now we will write the values. So P's value is 16, and first we have to multiply this also. So 5 into 25 will be 125 by 4. So now 16, and now after that Q's value is 20, and now R's value is 25, and S value will be 125 by 4. So now we have to multiply them with 4. So 16 4 will be 64, 24 will be 80, and now 25 4 will be 100, and 125 by 4 will be 25. And now we have to find the we have to multiply it with 4 here, and now this 4 and 4 will be cancelled, so it will be 125 only. So now we have to add them. So 64 plus 80 plus 100 plus 125 will be 369, and now we have to find the share of Q. So Q is equal to 80 by 369 multiplied by 3690. So 1 and this 10. So 80 into 10 will be 800, which means the share of Q will be 800. So 28th question, if A is to B is equal to C is to D, then in bracket MA plus NC is to MB plus ND is equal to dash. So A by B is equal to X, and C by D is also equal to X, which means A is equal to BX and C is equal to dx. And now we will try to solve it. So MA plus NC. So now we will put the value of A, which is BX, plus NC, and the value of C, which is dx, divided by MB plus ND. So MB plus ND, and we can see that here X and X are in common, so we will take them out of the bracket. So MB plus ND, and out the bracket X divided by MB plus ND. So they are common, which means we will cut them. So X is equal to A is to B or C is to D. So in options C is to D is not present, which means our correct answer here will be option number C. Now 29th question, state T for true and F for false. First one, 12 hours is to 30 hours is equal to 8 kilometer is to 20 kilometer. So yes, this is correct. Now second one, the ratio of 1 hour to 1 day is 1:1. So no, this is incorrect. Now third one, the two terms of a ratio can be in two different units. So no, this is also incorrect, which means our correct answer will be true, false, false, which is option number C. Now last question for today, question number 30, match the following. P, a box contains 80 bulbs, 15 were found to be defective. The ratio of non-defective to the defective bulbs is. So the non-defectives are 65 and defective ones are 15. So 65 and 15, which means it will be in the ratio of 13:3. 3. So first one will go to 3. And now second one, Aman is 3.5 times as old as Karan. The ratio of Aman's age to Karan's age is. So we don't know the Karan's age, so we will consider it as x. So 3 1 by 2 x, and which means 7 by 2 x divided by x, which means it will be 7x divided by 2x. So if we take this x as common, our correct answer here will be 7:2, which is option number 1. And now third one, Shania earns rupees 35,000 per month and saves 15,000 per month. The ratio of her earnings to her savings per month is dash. So her earnings are 35,000 and savings are 15,000. So which means 35:15, which means 7:3, which means it will be the second one. So third, first and second. So our correct answer here will be option number C. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.